Welcome back once again. In our previous video, we discussed how to use a text to column to separate names to first name and the last name. So in this video, we shall look at how can we do the same using flash fill. So I've copied the full name here into another column. And how do we do that? So for the first name, I can use the flash fill to pick up only the first name. By doing that, I will type the first name correctly, which is Adekunle. And after that, I will highlight done and I will click on the flash fill under the data tool. You can see flash fill, or you use the shortcut Ctrl E. Whenever you click on it, all other first name will be picked for you. Tunde Aremu Bimbo. As simple as that. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.